Okay, come on up. We're going to flip back over to the other side, and we're going to try a little banana. So this can be kind of exciting. And we are, again, having the circle on the outside of our ankles. So we'll get even more of our gluteus medius working here, which everybody needs. Okay, but especially me. All right, so now you're going to try and reach your hand towards your hips and balance up here. Deep breath. As you exhale, reach the circle out, lift the legs and lift the waist and come back down. So you're putting pressure into your bottom hand to come on up. Inhale and exhale. Bow yourself upside and come back down. And again, exhale. Bow yourself upside and come back down. 2 more. Exhale. Press upside and down. 1 more. Press upside and down. Very nice. I hope you didn't fall over. Let's roll onto your back and just cross that top leg over the bottom, top ankle over the bottom knee, and bring your knees into your chest and let your hips rest a second. Good. Now we're going to come up and flip on over to the other side. We're just going for 5. Feel free to do more if you like. So again, line yourself up in one long line. Head, shoulders, and hips. You're trying to bring your top arm towards your hips. If you start to fall, you can put the top arm down, but we're trying to balance up here. Here we go. Breathe in and exhale. Bow yourself upside and come down. And again, exhale. Bow yourself upside and come down. And again, this is 3. Bow yourself upside and down. 2 more. 4 and down. Last time, please. 5 and rest. Good. On your back. Again, you're going to do top ankle over the bottom knee. Bend it in and do a little bit of a figure 4 stretch on your back here. Teaser time, and have I got a doozy for us today? All right, we're going to lie onto our back, and we are going to start with our circle in our hands overhead. Go into imprint and bring your legs up to tabletop and then reach out on the diagonal. We're going to leave our legs on diagonal and then alternate back and forth where we put the circle. So arms come up, big breath out, roll up. Now you're going to take the circle, put it in between your ankles, reach those arms out and roll back down. Arms up, nod the chin, roll up. You're going to grab the circle. Now you're going to put it on the outside of your hands and bring the legs together and roll down. Arms up, roll up. Now take the circle, put it on the outside of your ankles, reach the arms and roll down. And arms up, roll up, grab the circle, put it on the inside of your hands and roll down. And rest. You made it. Moving on. Let's take a little relaxation and do some gentle spine stretch forward. So go ahead, come to seated. You're going to separate your feet about as wide as the mat. Reach the circle out in front of you and you can place your hands on the circle. Nice and tall, nod the chin. Now as you breathe out, you're going to scoop the abs up and in and just put gentle pressure on the circle, creating a nice big C shape in your spine. And let's inhale, roll up nice and tall. And again, exhale, roll it forward. And inhale, roll up nice and tall. And exhale. Hollow the abs, roll it forward. Keep the shoulders down. And inhale, roll up tall. Lengthen and exhale as we roll down. And inhale as we roll up. Good. Good. 5 more. Exhale, fold forward, double check your shoulders, make sure they're down your back. And inhale, roll back up. And roll down. And inhale, roll back up. Stay right on those sits bones. Two more times. Sequence down through the spine. Sequence back up through the spine. Last one, sequence down through the spine. And sequence up through the spine. Good. Okay, we are going to go right on into our open leg rocker. So we want to shift our body back forward, and we're going to have the circle in our hands today. So instead of holding onto our ankles, we're going to reach our legs out but have our circle in our hands. So bring the circle into your hands, tip back off your sits bones and bring your legs up, and now straighten them just to the outside of the circle as you put a little pressure into the circle. Here we go. Roll back, try keep your shape, and then roll up and balance. And again, roll back, roll up, and you're going to try extend through your spine. And curl and roll back, and roll up, reach out and extend, and roll back. Good. Rest a moment. And we're going to go onto our belly and do our double leg kick. We'll have the circle in our hands, and we'll have legs squeezing all the way together. Turn your head to one side and grab the circle behind your body. Press your hips down to the ground, and you're going to bend your arms in to the sides. Here we go. You're going to kick the legs. 1, 2, 3. Now straighten the legs, reach out, separate the legs, come up and over. Give a nice big pull with your circle and go to the other side. And 1 and a 2 and a 3. Reach up, nice big stretch in the chest, and to the other side. Inhale, reach up and open, and to the other side. Inhale, reach up and open, and to the other side. One more round. Kick and a kick and a kick. Reach up, open the legs, open the chest, and come down. Squeeze the hips to the ground. Reach the legs out, open the chest, and come on down. Fantastic. Go back into child's pose and breathe. It's Swan time. All right, we're going to do Swan Rock and then potentially some rock and catch with the circle around our ankle. So you're going to start on your side. You'll put the circle at the bottom ankle, and then you put the top leg through the circle. It's kind of tricky getting into this. And then you're going to flip over onto your belly with the circle at your ankles. You got to keep the pressure to the outside the whole time. Then you're going to come to a full extension and extend the legs out. And you have to keep the legs off the ground because that circle is right there. Here we go. You're going to bend your elbows and lift the legs to the sky. And then come up. Nice big extension, extend the knees. Bend the elbows and lift. And nice big extension. And again, bend the elbows, lift the legs. Extend the arms, lower the legs. 2 more. Bend the elbows, lift the legs. Extend the elbows, lower the legs. 1 more. Bend the elbows, lift the legs. And extend the elbows, lower the legs. Good. Rest into child's pose for a minute. So just shift back. Take a breather. Good. Now this one is definitely tricky. We're going to go back onto our side and then put the circle back at the bottom ankle. Top leg slides through. Hollow the abs. Flip over onto the belly. Extend the legs. Now, you're going to come all the way up into your biggest extension, and you're going to shoot your arms out, lift the legs, and then catch yourself. Shoot out, catch yourself. Shoot out, catch yourself. 2 more. Inhale, extend. One more. And extend. Woohoo! I hope you made it. Shift back into your child's pose. Okay, moving on into swimming. We're going to take the circle and put it in our hands. So down onto your belly. You're going to have the arms up overhead, looking straight down, fingertips long. Reach the arms out, lift the legs. Keep the pressure in the circle, lower the right arm and the left leg, and then you're going to change. Exhale, change, and change, and change. And now let's go with our breathing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 20. 30, one more set. 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach and lower down into child's pose and rest.